Take a look at this awesome 1931 Ford Model A Roadster street rod. All right, I know you're all going to ask this as soon as you see this video. I wonder if it's fiberglass or is it a steel car or what's the story with it? Guys and gals, this is an all steel 1931 Ford. The hood, the cowl, the fenders, the running boards, the rumble seat, everything, all steel on this car. And man, does it show. You can see the paint, the body lines is excellent. This car came back into us as part of an estate. Unfortunately, the previous owner had since passed, and we had sold this car to him several years ago. He enjoyed it, and now unfortunately it is back again for sale. But man, what a fantastic car. Great build on this car. I don't know if you could see it. It's got front disc brakes, chrome drop spindle under there. You'll be able to see all this in the underside photos of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll open the door here. Notice it's even got something you never see on a Roadster. It's even got working interior lights when I open the door. See that? Again, all steel body, doors, everything is steel on the car. It's got the very nice, I believe it's a tease seat perhaps. I forget the name, but again, almost fits like a bucket seat. It does have a recliner back where you can adjust the backrest on it as well. Very comfortable street rod seat. The car does have tilt steering wheel. It's even got cruise control. Aftermarket stereo that works just fine. Speakers wired throughout, including even in the rumble seat area there's speakers. This car's got a little over 6,000 miles since being built. Nice low car shifter, emergency brake there, upgraded pedals, very nice carpet and upholstery. Again, this car was not a cheaply built car. As you can see, the soft top is a retractable. It is not a lift off, so you can leave the top on the car. You get cut in the rain, you can put it back up again. Here's the rumble seat area. As I mentioned, you can see the speakers in there. The battery compartment's right there on the floor. There's the other speaker. Again, this is all steel as well. It does also have windows, the slide-in windows that go into the tops of the doors. So you can actually be 100% ready for inclement weather. I'll show you a picture of those. There's the windows right there that slide in. Let's start this baby up. Starts right up every time. It's powered by a Chevy small block V8. It does have tri-power on it. There's the overflow tank for the radiator, electric fan. Go around the back so you can hear what it sounds like. Notice it's got blinker lights. Some of these street rods don't have signals. Some states require them. This car has them. Even the running boards are steel on the car. And again, you can see there's signal lights on the back as well. Nice sounding exhaust. Perfect for a street rod. Again, you can see all the pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are always welcome. And financing is available as well.